Up for sale today, a 1973 Corvette. Good driver. Finished in red with black interior. It has power steering, power brakes, factory air. There's some peeling on the hood. You know, it's a good driver. What else? Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Peeling there. Nice wheels and tires, the good old rallies. The body's really solid. So it's got that going for it. It's got the options going for it. The glass is good. A little more peeling on the T-tops. Yes, it's a T-top car. A little peeling there. You know, you could drive it as is, be a nice driver. Enjoy it. You can paint it, give it a good fresh coat. You could redo the whole car. I don't think the whole car needs to be redone though. The interior is in good condition. Automatic. It's powered by a 350 with a factory correct engine bay. You'll see it in the picture. Doors open and close. You know, good running, good driving. Chrome is good. It is a luggage rack car. So, I mean, we have the luggage rack. Depending on what you want to do, you could paint it, fill the holes. You could put it back on, buy a brand new one. The rear deck is in good condition. Some more paint flaws. You know, it's not a perfect car. We're not advertising it as a perfect car. It's a good driver. You could do some work with it over time. You can do a full restoration, whatever you want to do. It'll be for sale on eBay today. Now, if you're interested, ask us a question. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. A little more peeling by the light, or excuse me, the handle. So the door panels are nice. The seats are good. There's one little hole in one of the seats, and that one very tiny, very small hole, like the size of a dime, not even. The carpet's good. Dash is good. The dash pad's good. Everything's good. Like I said, you can do a lot of work to it. You can do a little bit of work over time and just enjoy it. So, it'll be for sale soon. You can take the frame, put something else on it. So, let me know. Show the driving video. It's nice. All around, pretty good car. So. See, it starts right up. In the cold, I think it's like, what, 2 or 3 a day? The horn works. The wipers work. Of course, there's a semi in the way. Alright, the semi is back out of the way. She is. There she is.